Everybody, today I have a special guest, a very fine Art Deco style Molnija, made in Russia in the 1951. It has a very nice engraving on the back in the very unusual one. It says something like to Mr. Chuvaya for his service, something I don't know, factory in Tisa 1952. So this is a very fine example of Molnija, the first lots of Molnija pocket watches. It's very beautiful, has 45 millimeters in diameter. It's a little one, but very fine. Has a very nice movement inside. Yeah, there's a nice engraving here. Very nice movement. Very clean. I service it, and it's very fine. It works very fine. It works very fine. Let's give it a little winding. Very fine pocket watch. Very fine movement. Indeed. Very fine dial. Superb pocket watch. Hope you like it, guys. Has 50 rubies. It's made by a Cortebeb movement. Very clean. Very handsome. This is the dial, the hands. Superb.